Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Bubble Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Bubble Cash app, and once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing the three horizontal icons. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, you'll be provided with bunch of options. Now among them you'll find an option that says account. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping you'll be provided with this prompt message. Now all you gotta do is select withdraw, and then once you select withdraw, here all you gotta do is just enter in the amount that you want to withdraw in the amount to withdraw, and then lastly tap on submit withdraw, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.